Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your laptop won't shut down into Windows 11. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to your search menu and then search for edit power plan. Then click on this and then click on power options. Now you have to click on choose what the power button does, and here you have to click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Once you do this, you'll see an option here which says turn on fast startup recommended. It would be checked, so you have to uncheck it and then just click on save changes and restart your PC. Then hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.